Greetings from Santa Monica. My name is Shawna and I am 50. But at 50, I am not ready to have old lady hands. I don't like old lady hands. And I have a lot of sun damage because I've spent my whole life in Southern California where the sun is shining every day. And no matter what you do, your hands get hammered by the sun. I have a lot of sun damage. In particular, on this hand, I had 3 spots, in a row that really bothered me. So for my 50th birthday, I bought myself a fabulous birthday present, the Dermavel plasma pen. I first tried it on my hand, my old hand, and now it's a younger hand. But I will show you what those dark spots look like originally. I've been working on this for 3 months. So the Dermavel plasma pen works wonders, but it does take a long time. It's pretty. Rose gold, a nice ivory. Okay, charging cable, 10 of these, and these 3 pieces. I'm going to go through the instructions, make sure I understand exactly how this works, what I should not do, and what I should do. And then we'll see if I can get those 3 spots, those 3 in a row, diminished. There, now you can see the damage done to the skin by the needle. You just lightly touch it to the skin and it's basically burning the skin. So there is a bit of a nasty smell. After round 2, this is what the spots look like now. They're getting much lighter. And so after round 2, that was 2 weeks ago. So it took exactly 2 weeks for them to completely heal. The big one was a little bit crusty up until a couple days ago. I am still doing just level 1 every time. I'll be back with more progress. This is what the 3 dark spots are looking like now. After the last round, after a couple more rounds with the Dermavel plasma pen, that's what the back of my old lady hand looks like now. You can see the largest spot at the bottom. You can see the shadow and the one at the top, but the one in the middle is completely disappeared. And then I was having such great results that I started working on that one that was smack dab in the back of my hand. It has lightened tremendously as well. So all 4 of those are looking much better. I hope you enjoyed this video, found something useful out of it. And if you feel that the Dermavel plasma pen is right for you, knock yourself out. I've had great results, but I'm guessing it's dependent on skin type. My skin scars very easily. I should have told you that in the beginning as well. I have olive skin and light eyes. See those green eyes? And this olive skin, my dermatologist told me years ago that's the worst color combination for scarring. I only know the results that I was able to attain with my coloring. And again, level 1, I'm not a fan of pain. Level 1 still hurts, I'm not gonna kid you. Even if you have a high pain tolerance, which I kind of do, but still, I don't like pain. I just don't like it. Same way that I don't like old lady hands. As always, thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care, bye.